Hi, I'm Jacqueline Peng and you're watching the HTV Midday Report. August has been a bloodbath for regional market and Asian equities are still far from recovery. Negative lead from Wall Street after US equities ended in the red. Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P all falling 1%, also making August the ugliest month for US markets since 2012. China is due to release its PMI data and many choose to remain cautious, expecting the major slump in manufacturing from the Chinese economy. Meanwhile, locally, KLCI continued its rebound rally due to better oil prices as OPEC might cut production. The local benchmark surged as high as 2.9% in early trade before powering gains to 1,623, up 0.3%. Some 1 billion shares worth about 1.2 billion ringgit changed hands. Gainers outweighed losers by 391 to 272. Among the top gainers, Petronas Dagangan, it was up 2% to 21 ringgit 64 cent. Still, the bulls may not be here to stay. JF Apex Security Research expects the CI to be negative today and test its psychological support level of 1,600 points. Now on to the rest of the region. Asian markets are still seeing red. Tokyo continues its sell-off, tracking Shanghai equities lower. Singapore shares opened higher earlier today, but by noon it was erasing gains. Now for today's broker's call, let's see what's hot among research houses this morning. CIMB Group may have posted a decline in its first half net profit, but analysts say the coming quarters are looking good for the lender. That's with management giving its assurance that the worst is likely behind it. Public Investment Bank is maintaining a neutral call on the counter with a target price of 5 ringgit 70 cent. TA Securities Holdings Berhad also kept its forecast unchanged for the banking group. It's keeping its buy call with a target price of 6 ringgit 50 cent. Meanwhile, MIDF Research has downgraded Hwa-Seong Corporation to neutral. That's after the Energy and Infrastructure Group reported second quarter earnings nosedive by over 70% year-on-year. The research house has cut its target price on the stock from 1 ringgit 91 cent to 1 ringgit 13 cent per share. In the F&B segment, Old Town saw its target price cut by Alliance DBS Research after the restaurant chain's management conceded that the F&B operations remains challenging in the near term. Alliance DBS cut its FY16 earnings forecast for the company by 9% to account for lower contributions from its F&B business. And despite the share price having corrected 22% since its downgrade in July, the research house maintains that Old Town's earnings prospect remains unexciting. It remains its hold rating on Old Town with a lower target price of 1 ringgit 40 cent from 1 ringgit 68 cent. And that's all we have for our Midday Report. I'm Jacqueline Peng. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again tonight.